Here's your Community Weekend Update. Kent County's rate of new COVID-19 cases has remained flat over the last week, the Kent County Health Department reported on Wednesday. The flattening of the county's case growth has continued since mid-July. Director Adam London noted that the test positivity rate of 2.9% is a promising sign for Kent County. The county's rate has remained around this number since London's July 22nd update, which is lower than most of the state's average of about 8%. Kent County's number of COVID-19 deaths has also stayed flat over the past week, remaining at 149. London cautions residents, however, against taking this low death rate to mean the pandemic spread in the county isn't serious. The KCHD offers free COVID-19 testing at various locations throughout Grand Rapids, with information about registering for a test available on its website. Before the city, a Grand Rapids autonomous vehicle pilot was halted in March due to the pandemic. It had given more than 62,000 rides over the past 8 months. This feat, on top of others, earned the pilot program last week the Outstanding Achievement in Local Government Innovation Award from the Alliance for Innovation. The pilot program, known as Grand Rapids Autonomous Vehicle Initiative, was a collaboration between the City of Grand Rapids and May Mobility that brought 4 electric shuttles to downtown streets. The 6-seater shuttles were self-driving, though they had an attendant present when on city streets. The wheelchair-accessible shuttle was also available by request. Launched in July 2019, the low-cost shuttles were planned to run through July 2020. They're now scheduled to return again in September with new safety measures. AFI received more than 100 nominations for the Innovation Awards. AVGR was among 11 projects selected for demonstrating positive community and organizational impact, quantum leaps in creativity, and tangible results toward building anti-fragile communities. More details about the AVGR program are available on the City of Grand Rapids website. Girls Rock Grand Rapids, a week-long summer camp empowering girls, women, and non-binary residents through music, has postponed this year's camp and announced Thursday. A program of the Granville Avenue Arts and Humanities, Girls Rock Grand Rapids, has taken place at Cook Arts Center every August since 2013. Its postponement this year comes after the GAAH had previously moved the camp, originally planned August 10th through 14th, to a virtual format in light of the pandemic. Residents with questions, comments, or concerns about this year's postponement are encouraged by GAAH to contact the organization at kglosssop@gaah.org. More details about Girls Rock Grand Rapids are available on its website. Celebration Cinema announced on Thursday it's bringing pop-up drive-in movies to its Celebration North Theater on Grand Rapids' northeast side. Drive-in movies will begin at Celebration North on Friday with showings of Black Panther. Drive-in showings are currently running every night at 9:30 p.m. through August 13th. Similar to Celebration Cinema's new drive-in movies in the city, Studio Park in downtown Grand Rapids began showing outdoor movies in its front lawn in July as part of its Sunset Cinema series. The Rapidian encourages local residents to share their own stories related to civic, economic, and public health developments in the Grand Rapids area on the Rapidian's platform. To get started as a community reporter, visit therapidian.org/write. This update is brought to you by the Rapidian, GRTV, and the Grand Rapids Community Media Center. Please take care of yourself and take care of others.